See the front. First thing I'm going to do, she kind of has a natural part here. So I'll just take a little bit out. And I always spray it at the base so it doesn't, so you avoid the frizz. You don't mind if I spray your hair, do you? Okay.
Mind.
Okay. We'll just do that.
Do all what you need to do.
Alrighty. She says, do what I need to do. I like that. Okay. And I'll just start. It's a braid. And in case some of you guys don't know how to French braid, I just start with a small section like this, and I separate it into 3, and I just put it between each of my fingers. Then I grab another small section about the same size as the original, and I separate that out, and I put it with the middle part of the strand, and then I just pull. So then I'll go on the other side, and I'll grab about the same section of hair, and again put it in the middle section, and I'll just pull like you would a normal braid, but you're just adding sections in. And this will make a French braid. So we'll just keep doing that. I struggle with my hair with frizziness. I have really bad flyaways. So when I might periodically, her hair is pretty smooth, but with mine I spray almost every single strand just to make sure it doesn't get too crazy on me. Okay, for this style, I'm gonna stop right about in the middle of her head. So after I get past the crown, I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna finish out the braid. And then I'm just gonna take a bobby pin and I'm just gonna put it on the end to hold it till I'm gonna use this braid later. So just like that, that way you're not having to, and I'm basically going to do the same thing on this side. I'll spray again. Grabbing the same sections. Alrighty, so take the remainder of her hair and I'm gonna put both pieces in there and then I can take these out. Bobby pins out because you won't need them. Get a ponytail holder. And I'm just going to, you can take all those braids out. Put it in a ponytail until you get to the very end. And then on the last time around, you'll just want to pull a little part through like that. Does everyone see that? And then you can tighten it and do as you please. Okay, leaving that alone now, I'm just gonna take the braids I've already done and just pull them out. It's almost like you're messing them up, but they won't look messed up. So, it is, and she said it's hard to do on your own hair, and sometimes it can be, but so then that's going to be the base, and then we'll do the bun, and we'll finish all the pinning at the end. So she has all this extra hair. Depending on the look you want to go for, I like a little bit of a messier look, so I'll just loosely, and it's okay if you have some straggles hanging out there, I'll just loosely kind of tie it around like that, but leave a little hair out. Okay. And I will take bigger pins. I usually use bigger pins for this part. And the way I put my bobby pins in, instead of just sticking them in like that, I always pull it up and then go in like that. Do you guys see how I did that? It secures it a little more. So for the last part, in order to give some volume, I'm going to take these two braids and I'm gonna push them together. a little bit and just pin them in. Let's see the front.
So good.
You're all done. You can turn around.